Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Benny and I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Budapest. If you're new, if this is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Please stay, kindly hit the subscribe button, follow me. Let's grow together in this community. So as you can see by the title already, today's video is going to be a how to bleach, pluck, style your frontal. Basically how to get this look of the hair that you can see. This is the wig I have on me. I got it from Slove hair, and I'm also going to be giving an honest review about this hair. So if you're interested in seeing this, please keep watching the video. So the wig came in this sleek black box and a white silk bag. It also came with a couple of goodies, some hair clips, a razor, this elastic hair band, a rat silk comb, and of course a wig cap. So next I'm measuring the bleaching powder, a few scoops of this, then I'm adding the purple shampoo and the developer. Now I'm going to be mixing this paste in sections because I want to get the right consistency that'll help me bleach the lace properly. I also want the process to be controlled. So I mix and then I add more developer as I go. And I'm just aiming for more like a pasty consistency. So nothing too runny, but also not too stiff. So I want it to be very fluffy, but at the same time, when I flip the bowl over, I don't want it to pour. That's how I know that I have the right consistency. This is the lace that I'm working with today. It's a full frontal. And first of all, I just sprayed it with some got2b to serve as a barrier between the bleach and the hair. And next, I went in to place the bleach on the lace. This is a very gentle process, so I don't want to allow the bleach to sip into the hair. I just want to bleach the lace. And so I'm just spreading this gently over the entire, perimeter of the lace from bottom to top. I started from the bottom. And then after putting this bleach on, I just use some foil to cover this to allow this to, set for a while. And then I set my timer for 35 minutes. And after that, I checked, open up the lace from the top to see if it started to change, to a rusty orange-ish color. I added about 5 minutes more and then I went to rinse off the bleach from the lace. Make sure I remove everything thoroughly from the lace. And this is the color now. After that, I went in with some purple shampoo to wash the hair. So I spread this all over the lace and massaged it into it. This is to cancel out, any oranginess or too much oranginess that may have come from the bleach. And then I just allowed this to sit for a while and I rinsed it off after. Next, I went in with some conditioner. This is just a regular conditioner that I use to wash hair on wigs, and it'll just, basically condition my hair like I would normally, and just combed it out. There was a bit of hair loss when combing this hair, so that's one of the things I noted about this hair, but I was able to work with it at the same time. And then I allowed the conditioner to sit for a while, rinsed up, and this is how the lace is looking after it was air dried. Next, I went into plucking. So first of all, I parted a bit of the hair on the front because I don't want to start plucking from the actual hairline up front. So I started from a line behind the hairline and basically started pulling out the hair. Guys, this process is long and tedious, but the sleigh must go on, I guess. So you basically just have to you know, pluck, pluck, pluck. After that, I went into the front and same plucked, 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 guys. Anyways, this is how you know, it was looking after I'd finished plucking. I didn't want to do too much because it was the first time, and I think I was still plucking with time, so, or some hair is still going to come off with time. And then next I, you know, just used the hot comb to slick it back, and then I put some wax. I used this bedhead wax, and I just applied this all over the front of the hair. I'm not really into baby hair, to be honest, so I didn't take note of that or do anything regarding that when I was, you know, plucking this hair. So yeah, and after the bedhead, I just went back in with the hot comb to slick the hair back. Guys, look at that sleekness with the wax and the hot comb. This is, it was giving. And after that, I just proceeded to style the hair, just give it some curls. That was it. By the time I finished, this was how it looked. Very sleek and natural looking. And then I went ahead to install. So first off, just placing the wig on my head and then cleaning the part where I'm gonna spray some glue. And I used this got2b glue spray and dried it down with my dryer. You can let this air dry, but I really wanted to just get this over with. Then I proceeded to lay the wig on my head. The key is to bring the wig as forward as possible so that you don't place it on your natural hair or your baby hair if you have. And then I use the blow dryer to dry it so that, you know, it's sitting nice and secured. And I was using the comb to also test the security of the wig. As you can see, it's sitting very firmly and tight on my head. For some reason, I lost the clip where I actually cut off the lace. I don't know how that happened, but this is just a little bit of me trimming what was left of the lace. I really don't know how I lost that clip, but yeah. Okay guys, so that's it for fixing the hair on. I'm gonna go ahead, do my makeup. I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. So I went ahead and I finished my makeup. This is how we're looking, and this is how the hair came out. I just gave it a side part, you know, since it's a full frontal, I can part it either way. So my honest review about this hair, I got this hair from Slove hair. It was a 22-inch full frontal. I think it was 13 by 4, or I don't know, but what I'll say is that the lace at the middle of the head is longer than the lace at the sides. So I have, in this part of the head, I have lace up to like here, but then in this sides it's just a little bit. So it's not like a complete 13 by 4, 13 by 6 lace. Yeah, I like the color of the hair. This is the exact color that I chose. I think this is about 180 or 200% density. So the hair is not too heavy. I like it. It's light. I think my only complaint about this hair would be the fact that it doesn't really hold curls, so most likely I would have to wear it with like minimal curling if I have to. And for this color of hair, I would have loved like to have some really bouncy curls. It's soft, I don't have to like struggle when I put my hands through it and stuff like that. So I think that's my only complaint. Other than that, the lace kind of melted really nicely. It's not a HD lace, but it kind of melted nicely. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you found it informative and helpful. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section and I will see you guys in my next video.